Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So I started off by using my Morphe 35C palette, and I just took that orange color and I'm just blending this out all over the lid. Doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure that the edges are blended out. For this look, I did wing out my eyeshadow a little bit. Usually I do go for like the more rounder type of eyeshadow looks, but not today. And then I went in with these two red eyeshadows from the same palette, and I just mixed them, fuck it. So I mainly focused this in my crease. I just packed those two eyeshadows in the crease, and then I just blended them out as I went, and I packed and blended, and just repeated the step until I got the pigmentation that I wanted. And then taking the Lime Crime Venus palette, I went into this dark red maroonish color, and I started packing this on my outer corner, and I did drag this into the crease as well. And then I just took a blending brush and blended out the edges of that eyeshadow, making sure everything looked nice and smoky. And then next I just took a black eyeshadow, and I'm starting to pack this on my outer corner. And I'm keeping this pretty low because with black eyeshadow you need to be really careful because it can just get messy right away. So just pack a little bit at a time and then blend as you go. Alright, now to cut my crease, I am taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is pretty self-explanatory, pretty obvious what I'm doing here. When you get to the outer corners of that concealer, it's always best to just tap it out so it makes it easier to blend into the other colors that you have. So like this, I'm just tapping it out, and it just, I don't know, it doesn't look so harsh on the edge, you know? And then I'm just setting it with a cream colored eyeshadow. So here I'm just taking that Lime Crime maroon color, and I'm blending it in with the black and the cream eyeshadow that we used to set the concealer. It's just going to make a nice gradient effect for when we add that pigment on top of the red. It's not going to look so harsh. And then going back in with that black eyeshadow, I didn't take any extra eyeshadow, I actually just used what was on the brush. And I'm just softly going to be blending this into the red as well. Then blending it out with a little fluffy brush. And this brush is from Shoptime LA. I will leave it down below for you guys. Next, I'm going in with the Rude Cosmetics Pigment. Bro, this pigment is so pretty. Okay, so I obviously had to prime it with the NYX glitter primer before, but the color of the pigment, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like a pink, and it has like a gold shift to it, but it's like, I can't even explain it. I tried to get it on camera for you guys, but it doesn't show up like it does in person. So here I'm just lining my eyes with the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and I made the liner pretty thick on the outer corner, and then as I go into the inner corner I make it a lot thinner. And then I'm just packing a little bit of black eyeshadow over top of that eyeliner, and I'm just going to blend it into the black eyeshadow that I had placed before, and just blending it out with the fluffy brush. And then here I'm going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal liner, and I'm dipping that into my NYX bronze glitter. I don't own a gold glitter, so I needed to do this so it can have more of a gold look to it rather than silver. But yeah, I'm just going to be popping this in my crease just to add a little pop of glitter. I wasn't going to do this, but then I was like, you know, fuck it, let's just try it out, see how it turns out, and it came out hella good. I really liked it. So yeah, now taking the Lash Dreams lashes in the style Daydream. I do have a discount code just in case you want to save some money on a pair of lashes. I will leave that down below. But yeah, these are so fluffy. If you guys check out their eyelashes, they have like the most fluffy, dramatic lashes that I've ever seen for a pretty good price. So I would definitely check those out. Now I'm just blending out the same eyeshadows that I used on my lid. I'm blending those out on my lower lash line, and then I'm just highlighting my inner corner with Rodeo Drive by Ofra. And that is going to complete today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this cut crease. I really like it. Super dramatic, super glam. But yeah, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.
We're just a box of souvenirs.